Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the FloatMe app. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Google. Okay, if you are an Apple user, you can directly open your App Store, and Android you can use your Google or you can use your Play Store also. So here I am using here Google. Okay, so you can also use. So here you have to come and write for the FloatMe app. Okay, if we click on the search button, so at here we can see the app. So here is FloatMe instant cash and advances. We click on install button, and at here we can see the app. So we'll click on more view. So it will show here an install button, and you can install it from there. So you can just check for the reviews and for the app support also, and you can install it. So when you just click on install, it will automatically download the app and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.